Welcome to the Daily Insights That Matter. IndiGo, the country's largest airline carrier, has managed to increase its market share from 53.8% to 55.7% in just 1 year. But what's even more interesting is the performance of some of the other airlines. For example, Akasa Air has gained a whopping 3% market share, which is quite remarkable for a relatively new player in the market. Meanwhile, the Tata Group owned Air India's market share has dropped slightly from 9.9% to 9%. But its other airline, AirAsia India, has seen an increase in the market share from 5.8% to 7.3%. Now, these are all extremely fascinating developments that could have a significant impact on the Indian aviation sector in the coming years. On the other hand, SpiceJet, which has been going through financial difficulties, has seen a significant drop in its market share from 10.2% to 6.9%. Now, with a strong demand outlook in India's aviation sector, more players are looking to order new aircraft and increase their capacities to capture market share. For instance, Air India recently made headlines for placing the largest ever aircraft order in the global aviation market, indicating its ambitions to dominate the Indian aviation industry. Now, in addition, there have been significant consolidations in the market, such as the merger of Vistara and Tata, which could lead to further competition. And let's not forget about the newcomer Akasa Air, which has managed to increase its market share by an impressive 300 basis points. All of these developments could potentially increase competition in the domestic market as we move forward. It will be fascinating to see how the Indian aviation industry evolves and adapts to these changes, and how it will continue to grow in the coming years. Now, India is making moves on the logistics index. With its bustling ports, speedy highways, and innovative startups, India is quickly becoming a force to be reckoned with in the world of supply chain management. And we are not the only ones claiming it, as India has climbed 6 places in the Logistics Performance Index. Now, the Logistics Performance Index is an interactive benchmarking tool created to help countries identify the challenges and opportunities they face in their performance on the trade logistics and what they can do to improve their performance. Now, the index is based on 2 components. First, it's a worldwide survey of international logistics operators on the ground, providing feedback on the logistics friendliness of the countries with which they trade. Now, the second component is based on the granular, high-frequency information on the maritime shipping and container tracking, postal and air freight activities that was collected and made available to several data partners. Now, India has made a significant leap on the World Bank's Logistic Performance Index, moving up 6 places to the 38th out of 139 countries in the 2023 rankings. India made progress on infrastructure score, international shipments, logistics quality, and competence and timeliness. India dropped on 2 fronts, which was customs and tracking and tracing, compared to the 2018 rankings. Now, the improvement in the index is a result of the country's substantial investments in both hard and soft infrastructure as well as technology. India's focus towards modernization and digitalization has enabled it to leapfrog advanced economies in the logistics sector. The Indian government has launched several initiatives like the PM Gati Shakti Yojana, which is a national master plan for the multimodal connectivity, and has also launched the National Logistics Policy, or the NLP, in 2022 to solve transport issues, optimize manufacturing efficiency, and speed up the last mile connectivity in the logistics sector. So what does all of this news mean for you? The future of the Indian aviation industry is bright. The sector is expected to see significant growth in the coming years. However, as an investor in this industry, you must keep an eye on the intense competition brewing up in the skies. Therefore, IndiGo's market share rising will have an indirect neutral impact on you for time being. Now, the improvement in the Logistics Performance Index is a positive and encouraging move towards lowering logistics costs and stimulating the economy and increasing efficiency by reducing dwell time and significant delays. This will have an indirect positive impact on you. While I say this is Raj Mehta signing off, wishing you and your loved ones the very best. Thank you.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.